this episode starts, gusto ko mag-shoutout sa Podmetrics. Podmetrics is a platform we use to get all of the data we need for our shows. From who listens to us, all the way to where they are. Sa lahat ng platforms na gamit natin sa podcast ay nagagamit na rin natin sa Podmetrics at nakikita. So, pwede ka rin mag-integrate gamit ng Podmetrics doon sa mga Facebook or YouTube pages natin para mas makita natin kung ano yung data ng ating mga streams. If ikaw ay isang podcaster or you want to start your podcast, visit podmetrics.co and use the code MTGShowPodcast. Again, that's podmetrics.co and use the code MTGShowPodcast. Let's go back to the regular programming. So, welcome to another episode of Attention to Detail. My name is FTG pa rin. Nothing fancy about this new setup. Walang bago sa setup ko at except doon sa mic arm ko na kakabili ko lang. Salamat Shopee for that. So, bago tayo mag-start sa ating bagong episode, I want to shout out to Podmetrics. Podmetrics is a platform for podcasters na kung saan yung mga data ay nakikita natin doon sa kanilang portal. Lahat ng data from Spotify, Anchor, sa lahat po ng hawak namin na mga podcast websites ay nakikita natin dito sa Podmetrics. So if you want to start using Podmetrics, visit podmetrics.co and use the code MTGShowPodcast. Again, that's podmetrics.co and use the code MTGShowPodcast. So, ito na, new programming. Wednesday or Thursday night, Friday, we're going to release 2 more episodes this week. Because I know this is SummerSlam week. So Wednesday, I'm going to give you the wrestling news of the week plus the possible predictions. Possible predictions for SummerSlam weekend. And then Friday, 2 episodes I think. Ewan ko, pinafinalize ko pa. That's Attention to Detail. Another episode for Raw Underground. And then the predictions for SummerSlam Takeover and yun, news of the week. Ulit yun. After the predictions, after the results, doon sa may final things sa review, after nun, saka tayo babalik sa ating regular programming about the Raw Underground and the Wrestle House. So for this week's episode of Attention to Detail, let's talk about Wrestle House of Impact. So unfortunately, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa ng unang review. So ito na muna yung una kong review. Shall we? So, Wrestle House is formed 2 or 3 weeks ago as a response sa ibang promotions na mayroon na ring cinematic things. So, alam ko naman may mga reality shows na rin sa WWE, meron din sa AEW. So, Impact, gumawa rin sila. Wrestle House, para siyang PBB, Pinoy Big Brother or Big Brother sa ibang bansa. And then, yung contest na yon is, ang goal doon ay may 10 wrestler and then may isang mananalo ng $1 million. Tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. So, to win the 10 mil to win a $1 million, syempre, you need to earn it. That's the concept. Tapos, meron 10 wrestler and then si Tommy Dreamer, yung parang main host nung Di ko sure kung sino-sino yung line up eh. Ito, ang alam ko line up si Susie, si Taya, Rascals, XXL, Johnny Swinger. Dami, ang dami. Asawa ni Edwards andito din. So, ito na yung first impression ko about this fucking segment. So, last week, binigyan ko kayo ng ideya about this thing, how this thing works. And for me, I love the segment, to be honest. I love it compared to Raw Underground. Meron lang akong ilang problema na na-encounter during the first 2 or 3 episodes. That's the problem. Meron lang akong ilang problema na na-encounter during the episodes nga na siguro naman maayos yan for the next episode or sa marami pang episodes if magre-release pa sila ng madami. And then, parang ang napapansin ko, oo, yun, medyo natatawa nga ako sa ibang parts ni dito, ni Johnny Swinger, aminin ko yun. And then, dun sa mind games between Taya, Rosemary, and Swinger. Plus, Kylie Ray. Putang ina, bonus yun, tol. Bonus yung part na yun ni Kylie dito. Natatawa ako dun sa part na yun ni Kylie. And para sa akin, isa yon sa major factors nung Wrestle House kung bakit nadadala yung Wrestle House. But especially Johnny Swinger. Johnny Swinger is a savage bitch. Para sa akin, siya yung nagdala ng ibang episode so far eh. Di ko na kayo spoil about the happenings, okay? Nung mga nangyari during the Wrestle House. Instead, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng ideya. So, para sa akin, yung Wrestle House, hindi cringe, hindi sobrang cheesy, pero parang, I know this is backyard wrestling, pero parang, ang tingin ko dito, GTS wrestling na hawak ng isang major company. Parang ganon lang ang treatment ko sa Wrestle House. Pero still, makikita pa natin kung ano pa yung mga improvement dito sa Wrestle House. And let's see kung ano pa yung ipapakita ng Impact for the next few weeks and for the next few episodes. So, possible din na dito na rin mag-uumpisa yung build up papuntang Bound for Glory and then dun sa shows sa studio nila sa Nashville yun. Nashville ba yun? Hindi ko sure. Pero nag-uumpisa na rin sila mag-shoot ng shows do'n. So, I think magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin ang Wrestle House. I think hindi pa siya matatapos ng September, October. Pero sure ko magtutuloy-tuloy talaga 'to. Pero the downside of this Wrestle House thing sa akin is yung medyo oo, alam ko na bahay nga kailangan pag-awayan or i-earn lahat ng ways dito. Ang isang bagay lang na hindi ko gusto kasi is Taya Valkyrie itself. Parang oo, effective heel character, pero parang ang tingin ko lang dito she promoting herself, okay? So, parang sa halip na mag-establish ng new talents ang Impact, parang they are sticking to the old ones. Like, doon sa example. I don't hate Taya, okay? Pero, parang I hate her booking eh. Gusto nila, parang loyal pa rin sila kay Taya dito, okay? So, they still want Taya. Ganon. Parang ganon na ang napapansin ko dito. Pero overall, for the past 2, 3 episodes ng Wrestle House, I love it. I love it naman, man. Abangan na lang natin sa iba pang episodes ito kung ano pa yung conclusion na ilalabas ko about Wrestle House, okay? So, compared to Raw Underground, mas gusto ko 'to. Mas mas siksik. Hindi siya yung wrestling na parang naglalaro lang, gano'n. Hindi gano'n. Pero I love this man. Walang talk shit. Gusto ko pa makakita ng ganito and sana lang bawasan nila yung shoots sa ibang promotion like AEW and WWE since medyo madami rin silang shoots kagaya sa Impact, sa AEW, sa WWE wala naman silang shoot. But still, ang dami nilang shoots dito and medyo hindi ko trip 'yun. I hate it. So ayun. So ito pa, magbibigay na lang ako ng isa pang update about this thing. Sa halip na 5 episode of attention to detail, 3 episode na lang. So we're going to do 3 parts attention to detail episodes. 3 per episodes. So bale 3 sa Wrestle House, 3 sa Raw Underground. And then I'm going to give my conclusion dun sa season finale ng Attention to Detail. Season finale, yes! Kasi gagawa ko ng bagong season for Attention to Detail. Yun na yung una kong plano for the Attention to Detail. Probably September matatapos tong season na 'to. And then yun na nga. Dun ko ibibigay yung conclusion ko sa Attention to Detail episode na yun. Ano yan, episode wait lang, tantyahin ko muna. Today is episode 8, 9, 10. Bale, 15 episodes bago tayo mag-season finale muna. Season 1 finale ng Attention to Detail. And then we are going to continue to season 2. Medyo ire-repackage ko lang 'tong segment na 'to for the sake of the listeners lang. Para lang mas maayos, mas maano ko yung detailing about this thing. So, ayan. So, yun na lang muna. So, siguro abangan niyo na lang for the next few days kung ano pa yung possible futures for the podcast. Ang dami tayong future dito. Tsaka ewan ko kung tutuloy yung collab na inabangan. May inaabangan akong collab, ewan ko kung mangyayari pa rin. So, let's see na lang. Probably after SummerSlam, marami tayong pag-uusapan, marami tayong aanuhin. Also this week at SummerSlam week, marami tayong ita-tackle dito. And yun na nga. So if you like this episode, follow the podcast on Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Anchor, or sa kahit sa ang podcast player nyo napapakinggan. Also, download the MTG Show podcast app on the Google Play Store. Free yon. Just put your Gmail or Facebook account and then that's it. You can listen to every episode of the MTG Show podcast, Attention to Detail series, and for free for now. Kasi plano ko maglagay pa rin ng premium episodes, and doon lang exclusive yon sa podcast app natin. So also follow the podcast on Facebook, facebook.com/the MTG Show podcast, and then Twitter and Instagram, the MTG Show pod. So also support Philippine Podcast Directory. We are Philippine Podcast Directory. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Kung wala kayo, wala rin kami. De, joke lang. yan. Tapos, finally, shoutout sa PHC, sa HXC Wrestling Groups, sa lahat ng wrestling groups na meron ako diyan sa Facebook. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, suporta sa podcast. Sa lahat na sumusuporta, sa lahat na may walang pake sa wrestling pero nagla-like sa podcast. Thank you pa rin sa inyo. And yun na. Ba't pa ako nagpapahaba masyado? I'm out. Thank you.